my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about for loops in Python. So let's start. What is for loop? So far, we have studied the while loop, and today we will look at the for loop in Python. Python's for loop is a bit different from the classical for loops in other languages. If you have done C or Java programming, you might be familiar with the structures like for, small braces, int I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, and there is a body of code in curly braces. Python for loop, however, is much more powerful and versatile. Understanding the range function. To understand Python's for loop, you need to know about the range function. This built-in function generates a sequence of numbers. Here is an example, range 1, 11. This generates number from 1 to 10. Note that the end value 11 is not included. If you want to see the numbers, you can convert the range to a list like list range 1 to 11. The output is 1 till 10. The range function can take up to 3 arguments: start, stop, and step. Number 1, start, the starting number inclusive; stop, the ending number exclusive. Number 3, step, the difference between each number in the sequence. For example, range 1, 11, 2. The output is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Here the step is 2, so the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. You can also use a negative step to count backward, like range 10, 0, minus 1. The output is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Understanding the sequence. In Python, a sequence is an ordered collection of items. Examples includes strings, lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Using for loop for the range. Let's see how to use a for loop with the range function. For I in the range 1 to 11, print I. The loop will print numbers from 1 to 10. The I variable takes each value in the range one by one. For loop with sequence. You can also use a for loop to iterate over sequences like strings, lists, and tuples. For character in Python, print character. This loop prints each character in the string Python. Practical examples. Let's look at few practical examples of using the for loop. Example 1. Printing multiplication table. Here is a program to print the multiplication table of a given number. Number assigns int into input, enter a number. For I in range 1 to 11. Print f into number multiplied by I is assigns number multiplied by I in double quotes. Example 2. Sum of the natural numbers. Calculate the sum of the first n natural numbers. N assigns int input, enter a number. Total underscore sum assigns 0. For I in range I n plus 1. Total underscore sum plus equal assigns 1. Print f, the sum of the first n natural numbers is total underscore sum into double quotes. Example 3. Counting vowels in a string. Count the numbers of the vowels in a given string. String assigns input, enter a string. Vowels assigns A, E, I, O, U, small cases, and A, E, I, O, U in capital cases in double quotes. Count assigns 0. For character in string, if character is vowel, count plus equal 1. Print f, the number of vowels in the strings is count into double quotes. When to use the which loop? Use for loop when you know the number of the iterations in advance, like when iteration over a range or a collection. Use a while loop when the number of iterations is not known beforehand, such as when the loop depends on user input or a condition that changes within the loop. That was the overview of the for loop in Python. It's a powerful and flexible tool for iterating over sequence and ranges. In the next video, we will explore nested loops and how they can be used to solve more complex problems. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the Python programming series. See you in the next video.